Hi, I'm Amber Wessies, Instruction Librarian at Union University. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Topic Finder tool in Gale databases. If you're having trouble narrowing down your topic, the Topic Finder in Gale databases may be a good place to start. The Topic Finder helps identify keywords that are most often found in articles and sources related to your main idea. In order to practice using the Topic Finder, let's go to Gale's Opposing Viewpoints. Click the Database, eBooks, and Media quick link on the library's website, uu.edu/library. Then use the filter for O to bring up Opposing Viewpoints. I know Opposing Viewpoints is a Gale database because it has the Tennessee symbol next to it. Clicking Opposing Viewpoints will bring up the database. Next, you'll want to choose Advanced Search. Then the Topic Finder option. You can type in any search term or any topic that you have. Let's practice with activism. You have the option to search using tiles or the wheel. It has the same information, so this is just your personal preference. The tiles look like color-coded options. You'll see United States and activism have the most results. If I click United States, it brings up other options like politics, change. You'll also see the options that match that category on the left-hand side. You can click the title of an article to bring up that article. The wheel option works very similarly. Click the button next to wheel. This time you see a wheel that has the main ideas related to activism on the inner circle and the lesser ideas on the outer circle. If I'm looking at students in activism, I might try politics, students, and activism. This brought me 7 results. The articles are listed on the left-hand side. I can click the title of an article the same way as the tiles to bring up that article. The Topic Finder is a great tool to get ideas. You can also get help with search terms, narrowing your topic, general research help, or citation help from a librarian. Stop by the research desk or schedule a research coach appointment today. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to our channel. You can also make a comment if you have video suggestions.